Hello there. We're still on plant nutrition. So far, we've talked about photosynthesis as being the process whereby plants produce their own food. We've also talked about factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis. We got to see that they were carbon dioxide concentration, chlorophyll. We also talked about temperature, and then we performed experiments, or I described experiments for you to see. Today, we're going on to maximizing growth. Now, certain factors limit the rate of photosynthesis, and these are called limiting factors. Limiting factors are broad. So for something to be called a limiting factor, it is something that is present in the environment in such short supply that it restricts life processes. Now, with the life processes, we can recall Mrs. Green: movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, and then nutrition. These are the 7 life processes. Now, if we want to maximize growth, we need to control these limiting factors. Now, let's recall what the limiting factors are. Last time we saw that for limiting factors, we have carbon dioxide concentration, the factors that limit photosynthesis. We have carbon dioxide concentration, and that is only 0.04% in air. That is the amount of carbon dioxide in air, 0.04% of the composition of air. So that means it makes up only a small portion, and then it is fixed. The second thing is light intensity. With light intensity, it is a limiting factor because during certain times of the year, the amount of light is small, or even during certain times of the day. At night, no light. During the day, we have light. The third one is temperature. With the temperature, it varies with seasons. So these are the limiting factors. Now, if we are able to control these 3 factors, we can maximize photosynthesis. This is done in this glass house here. This glass house is called a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a glass house in which plants that need protection from cold weather are grown. The name is green, but it is not green. It is not green because it is called green because it is supporting green plants and protecting them from harsh weather conditions.